Yeah, in this video I came forward to teach you the best mathematics tricks. Okay, now we are going to multiply two numbers, that is two digit numbers or two three-digit numbers within less than 5 seconds. Okay, you see 96 into 98. 96 into 98, here it is 4 less than 100, so it is minus 4, it is minus 2. Now what you need to do is, you need to subtract this from this or this from this. So 96 minus 2 will be 94, and here you need to multiply this. 4 into 2, 8. This is the value. Okay, now I will do it another. 97 into 91. Here this is plus minus 3 minus 9. You can multiply minus 97 minus 9 or 91 minus 3. Both are same. So this will be 91 minus 3 will be 88. Here 3 into 9 will be 27. So this will be the value. We will take another number. 92 into 95. Here this will be minus 8. This will be minus 5. You can minus 92 minus 5 or 95 minus 8. Both are same. So 92 minus 5 will be 87. Here 8 into 5 is 40. Within 2 steps you are multiplying two-digit numbers, and we will take another example also. 89 into 97. This is minus 11. This is plus minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Here you can subtract 89 minus 3 or 97 minus 7. 89 minus 3 will be 86, and here 11 into 3 will be 33. Seeing, right? We will multiply. Take another example. We will take 99 into 89. This will be minus 1. This will be minus 11. Now you can subtract this from this or this from this. So it will be 88, and 1 into 11 will be 11. So this is the answer. So within no time you are getting the multiplication of two-digit numbers directly. Okay, here all the numbers, if you observe, these are less than 100. Both the digits are less than 100. The way to do multiplication is like this. Now we will take another numbers. Now 101 into 103. Here it is plus 1 and plus 3. It is 100 plus 1 and 100 plus 3. Now you can add this and this or this and this. 103 plus 1 is 104, and 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Now 105 into 106. Here this is plus 5, this is plus 6. You can add this or this or this and this. 106 plus 5 is 111, and 5 into 6 is 30. And you can take another number. 104 into 102. Okay, 104, this will be plus 4, this will be plus 2. Add this or this or this or this. So this will be 102 plus 4, 106, and 4 into 2, 8. You can take another number. 108 into 101. This will be plus 8, this will be plus 1. This will be this plus this, 109 and 08. If you want, you can check with the calculator. We will take another number. 107 into 101. This will be plus 7 plus 1. This plus this or this plus this will be 108 and 07. See how much fast we are doing. Within no time we are able to multiply these two numbers based on the Indian mathematic technique. Okay. Now this, if you observe all the numbers, these all are greater than 100. Both the numbers are greater than 100. The first, just previously we have seen both the numbers are less than 100. Now in the next method we will see one number is less than 100, one number is greater than 100. That is the most important method. Now we will see the method 3. It is 98 into 102. If you see here, it is minus 2 and plus 2. You can do 102 minus 2 or 108 plus 98 plus 2. So this will be equal to 100, and 2 into 2s are 4. Symbol is minus. Now what you need to do is, you need to subtract this from this. If you remove one value, so this will become 99, and from the 100, the base value, you need to subtract this, so this will be equal to 96. 9996 will be the answer. Okay, we will take another example. 96 into 106. So this will be minus 4, this will be plus 6. So now what you need to do, you can add this or you can subtract this. 106 minus 4 will be 102, and you need to subtract 24, right? Now what you need to do, you need to take one borrow here, so this will become equal to 101. Now from 100 you need to subtract 24. Okay, why? Because here these numbers are close to base 100, so from 100 you need to subtract 24. This will be equal to 86, and you have to write 86 here. This will be the answer. Okay, we will take another example. 97 into 103. So this will be minus 3, this will be plus 3. So you can do this minus this or this plus this. Okay, this will be equal to 100, and 3 into 3 are 9, minus 9. So same 100 you need to give one borrow, so this will become 99, and from 100 you need to subtract 9, this will become 91. So this will be the value. We will take one more example. 94 into 107. So this will be minus 6, this will be plus 7. So now what is the next step? We need to do either this minus this or this plus this. Okay, 94 plus 7 or 101, 107 minus 6. It is 101. 6 into 7s are 6 7s are 42. This will be minus 42. Now what you need to do? 101 you need to give 1 that side. That will become 100, and then in 100 you need to subtract 42. That will be equal to 58. Otherwise there is also one more technique. Okay, here 101 is there, right? You add 2 zeros and subtract 42 here. So this will become equal to that. Okay, anything you can do it. Okay, so these three are the very important methods. First one is all the numbers are less than 100. In the second method it is greater than 100. In the third method, that is here it is mixed. One number is less than 100, other number is greater than 100, and you know how to do it. Okay, actually I have taught it very fastly. Why? Because I want to make you to know the speed of this method. That is why I have done fast. But strictly I am telling, okay, one problem or one particular multiplication if you understand, then remaining how many number you can do it by yourself. Okay, that is very sure. Here we are doing fastly and we are doing accurately. That is the more important characteristic and more important objective when we are learning anything, especially in the maths. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please do share my video, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the section. Okay, I will read the comments and I will love to read your comments. Thank you.